To charge the battery on your electric Peugeot, check that the gear selector is on P and the motor is switched off. First, plug the end of the Mode 2 charging cable that is nearest to the charging status indicator into the domestic electrical socket. When you plug it in, all of the lights on the charging status indicator will light up. Then, only the green power light will remain on. Next, press on the back of the charging flap to open it. Ensure that there is nothing on the vehicle's charge connector. Insert the charging connector into the charging socket. As soon as the battery starts charging, the green light inside the flap and the green charge light on the charging status indicator will both start flashing. If that does not happen, charging has not started. Check that everything is correctly plugged in. With a Mode 2 charging cable on a green-up socket, charging time is 16 hours and 10 minutes. With a Mode 3 charging cable on 7.4 kilowatts charging station, charging time is around 7 hours. You can use the touchscreen to configure deferred charging. In the Energy application, select the Charge tab. Set the time for the start of charge, then confirm by pressing Apply. The configuration is recorded in the system. To activate deferred charging, lock your car and press this button within 1 minute. A blue light in the flap comes on to confirm activation. Deferred charging can also be configured using a smartphone via the MyPeugeot-app. We recommend that you charge the battery to 80% of its capacity for daily use. Full charge is recommended for long journeys. When charging is complete, you will see a solid green light on the charging status indicator and inside the flap. When the charge connector is secured, a solid red light will come on beneath the lock inside the flap. To unplug the charge connector, unlock the car if it is locked. If your car is unlocked, lock it, and then unlock it. Finally, fully unwind the charging cable. Never use it with an extension lead, a multi-plug adapter, a power adapter, or a damaged power outlet.